Hello friends, today I'm about to show you something fabulous. Do you like superheroes? I love superheroes. They can do everything. But if you want to meet them, we have to get dressed for the occasion. Let's say with me. 1, 2, 3, I'm a superhero. 4, 5, 6, dress me up from 0. Ah! Oh! Wow! You like it? I'm a superhero! It's time for me to go and see my friends in their school. Let's go and fly! Whoa! Okay, here we are. Do you like the school? Yeah, it looks amazing. It's a school just for superheroes. And here we have the superhero rules. All superheroes must be punctual. They must be here on time, okay? And school starts every day from Monday to Saturday at 8:30. 6 days of school, wow! Okay. Some can come flying, and some come by teleporting. I love it. Those superheroes come here flying or teleporting themselves. That's fantastic. Could you imagine doing that? In the morning, they must attend classes like strength, where they practice lifting huge and heavy hobbies like these buildings, or huge animals like elephants, okay? Wow! Great! What else? They also have classes like telepathy. When they move objects with their minds. Ooh, that's great. Just closing eyes and using their brains. That's fantastic. I love it. Okay, what other rules? In the afternoon, they must attend classes like, ice race, and they use this power to melt objects like this, melting objects or freezing objects. And they also have flying class, of course. They practice their flying as we do with the running to be faster. Do you like the rules? I love it. I want to be a superhero. I think I am.
Compra nuestros cuadernos y aprende desde donde quieras. Tienes un método súper intuitivo y fácil público en nuestra web. Solo tienes que seguir el orden de las imágenes, ver nuestros vídeos donde jugamos con gramática y sobre todo hacer las actividades con nuestro equipo. De esta manera, tus hijos nunca más harán los deberes solo y sobre todo aseguras que aprenden gramática de una manera natural, la mejor manera de practicar inglés desde casa.
Hello kiddos, again working today with this modal verb. Remember, we've seen it before, right? This is the verb must, okay? And must, remember, it's a super useful word we use when we are talking about rules or things that are very important, like you must do them in a 100%, okay? So the example is, you must wear your seat belt in the car, right? Yes, this is very important. So let's go and do the first activity. And today we are seeing school rules. Okay, the school rules are the things that we must do when we are in the school. So let's start with the first one. You must listen in class, okay? You must listen in class to answer the teacher's questions while the teacher explains the activities, or at 9 a.m. in the morning. You must listen in class when the teacher explains the activities, right? So I think I'm going to paint this sentence. You must listen. You must listen in class. Chip, chip, chip. And then we do this line connecting. Well, the teacher explains the activities. Okay. Then let's go for I must arrive to school. That is easy, right? When? At what time must I arrive at school? At 9 a.m. in the morning. So let's paint I must be in school. I must arrive. I must arrive in school or to school at 9 a.m. in the morning. And finally, super easy, this one. And I'm going to use green, the kind of pink purple, and this turquoise color for the last one. I must 100% obligation. Raise my hands like, hey, hello, me. I know the answer. I must raise my hands up or my finger in class to answer my teacher's questions, okay? Yes, to answer her questions. And that's it. Remember, must is obligation, yes? And some other words we've seen here: must listen, pay attention, must arrive, be on time, and must raise my hand. Hey, I know the answer. Goodbye.